Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce is popular all around the world with very nice and tasty, very delicious sauce. And the best easy teriyaki sauce recipe and it's make just only 10 minutes and it's simple to make this homemade. You will wonder why you ever bought teriyaki sauce after you find this recipe. First, we need to combine all ingredients in the small saucepan, and as I told you, it's very fast, delicious, and very easy. And use only few ingredients. Start with the soy sauce, 4 tablespoons, put on the saucepan, and then we use the mirin in the same quantity is the 4 tablespoons. We're gonna add the brown sugar for 2 tablespoons and also the honey for 1 tablespoon and then mix it well. The last one that we will put into the sauce is the ginger. We use about 5 slices of the ginger onto the sauce and we're gonna bring the mixture to a boil and continually stir the sauce until the sugar is dissolved. Once it's boiling, lower the heat to medium to low and then cook on the simmer for about 10 minutes or until the sauce is thickened as you like. And now the sauce is ready because after it's cooled down, the sauce is more viscosity and then we use just for only this. The sauce will thicken as it's cold and then we can store in the refrigerator for up to 2 or 3 weeks. And remove the ginger out. This recipe you can use for the teriyaki salmon, teriyaki chicken, or the fried pork or the fried meat, anything as you like. It smells well. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe and I believe that you will love it and don't buy any teriyaki sauce after you use this recipe. And thank you for watching my video and see you next time.